You say you want financial freedom. You want $1 million brand. You want passive income and luxury mornings. But you still treat your business like a side hobby. You post without strategy. Or maybe you haven't started a business yet because you mindlessly scroll and waste time. And every time an opportunity comes, you say, maybe later. Sis, you can't pray for abundance while living in procrastination. You can't build wealth with broke habits. $1 million results come from $1 million decisions. And it starts with better habits, a positive mindset, learning, and implementing. Because if your habits don't change, neither will your circumstance.